If you develop WordPress websites for your clients, then you may have faced this problem a lot. That you are basically responsible for designing the website, not for the content, but a client comes to you whenever they want to make changes to the content. Okay, for example, a small text somewhere on the pages. Obviously, you are not responsible for it, but you designed the website in such a way that in order to make changes, they need to learn one of the page builder, which is obviously not their fault as well. So in that case, how about creating some global fields, okay, and then allow your clients to make changes to the global fields. The changes which are made by your clients in the global fields will be reflected automatically on certain places in your design. So in order to solve this problem, in order to do that, we need options pages. So let's first read the definition of options pages. If you go to this, here you can see what are options pages. Options pages are additional set of fields that are available globally throughout the website and don't belong to any particular post. So basically these are global fields, new fields, that means you can add them, and they are stored in WP options database table. That means in order to change the value of these fields, your client do not need to know anything about page builders. Perfect. I'll show you one example. For example, this is a website created for a client, and here you can see there is some numbers written here, 15K, 152 plus, 300 plus, like this. Now, if your client want to make changes, like he want to change 300 to 600 or 152 to 159, then obviously right now it depends on you. Let me just show you this editing, how it is created in Elementor. So these three values, let the page load. These three values are here and they are fixed. Let me show you. Let's click on this. And here you can see this value is fixed in ending number 15. Similarly, this value is also fixed here in ending number 152. Similarly, this is also fixed value 300. Correct. So if he want to make changes, it's easy for you. You can simply say come edit with Elementor, change the value here from 300 to let us say 600. Perfect. And work is done. But it's not that easy for your client. Why? First of all, they need to learn Elementor. Second, it's not good for you as well. Why? Because if client breaks something in this page, then again he will contact you and you have to redesign the pages, or you may need to restore the pages to the previous history. In that case, you have to change the content again. So problem doesn't end. So what is the perfect solution for this? The solution is to build these kind of options pages. So I have already installed JetEngine. There are multiple plugins that allow you to do that, but I am using JetEngine here. So let me now go to this website and I'll go to the dashboard of this website. I'll show you where exactly these options pages are available in JetEngine. When JetEngine is installed on your PC, what you can see this JetEngine option in your WordPress menu. And then here you can see this option, options pages. Click on this. What will open here? All the options pages that you have already created will list here. I have already created one which is named as global content, because I know you are an advanced user if you are watching this video. Obviously, I do not need to teach you the basics. So global content option page I have already created, but you can create any number of pages as you want. I have already created one, so I'll just edit this. I'll show you in order to create the pages, what do you need? In order to create an option page, you just need to give the title of the page. It will automatically create a slug for that. Then you need to give a menu name so that it's visible in the menu. Then you can select a menu icon and you can select the position where it will be visible. After that, you can create fields. So I have already created three fields: home page slide images, course page image, as well as global footer text. Let me show you where are these. So if I go to front page of this website, these images, this is a gallery, the images will change. This gallery, obviously I knew client might want to change the images in future. So what I did, I created a field for home page slide images. Similarly, I created global footer text. And now let's create value for these three fields. Okay. What are these three fields? So first one is student learning, then expert instructor, then course enrollment. 3 fields are required. So I'll create these things. I'll go to options pages. Just click on new field and I said student count. Perfect. Slug is automatically created. And what is this? This is a numeric value. So I will say this is a field type is numeric, which is a number. Somewhere I should find number. Yeah, number. And that's all. Perfect. Now I am creating a new field, which is teacher count or instructor count. Then I am making that number as well. And finally, I am creating another one for course enrollment. How many number of course enrollments are there? So I'm saying course enrollment. Perfect. Now I am selecting it as a number as well. There are a lot of possibilities. That's all. Now just update this page. Once your option page is created and fields are added, you can find it where you stored it. So you said that I want to show it to CrocoBlock section. So if you look at the menu, you will find it here. See, global content is the name of options pages and it is available in this CrocoBlock menu. So now if your client want to change any of the global values, he will simply click on this global content and all the values will be listed here. You can already see here, I've already made changes for the slide images, for course page images, global footer text, and now it is our turn to change these 3 values. Okay. So I'm making it, let's say 50. How many instructors are there? Let's say 5. And course enrollment, which has happened till now, is let's say 870, giving random values. And that's all. Save it. So this will be done by your client. Once it is done by your client, obviously right now, the changes will not reflect here. Let me just purge the cache. Okay, cache is purged and you can see the changes are not reflected. Why not? Because we haven't made any effort to connect these 2 values. Global content is there, but how is it connected? Okay, it's not connected. So let's connect it. How will I connect it? I will edit this page with Elementor, obviously. Why I'm not doing it here? Because this I opened previously before creating the fields. That's why the fields will not reflect here. So I'll close this. Now in this page, what I will do, I will change this value. I'll click on this and rather than giving a fixed value for ending number, what I will do, I will select dynamic text. In dynamic text, I have to look for option. The fields which are mentioned in any of the option pages, you have to go to option. Perfect. After that, it will show me all the fields which are available. Which one I will select for this? Student count, obviously. That's all. Finally, let's come here. For this field also, I will select ending number to option value, which is going to be instructor count. And finally, for this particular value, I will select dynamic text option value. Value is course enrollment. That's all. Let's now publish this. Once it is published, you know what I'll do? I will check if these are reflected on the front page or not. So I'll purge the cache and now the values that I entered should be visible here. See, 50,000 student learning, 5 plus expert instructors, 870 plus course enrollment. Don't worry about this K plus and plus. This is added in the widget itself. Important thing is that I am able to reflect the numbers dynamically. If you want to make changes, all your client has to do is simply change the value here. Let us say you want to say 1000 instructor only. So he's writing 1. K is added automatically here. So let's now click on save. And now if I purge the cache, I should be able to see 1K student learning here. Starts from 0 ends at 1. Perfect. So I hope now you know how you can create option pages and it is going to solve a lot of your problems, isn't it? So you do that. JetEngine is a really nice plugin. It allows you to make your static website into a fully dynamic website. Okay. And I am going to create a lot of videos on JetEngine. I have already created a lot of videos for this channel on JetEngine. So if you wish, if you are interested in learning WordPress, JetEngine, any other no-code tool, and even in programming, then this is the right channel. You can subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of my video. I'll see you in my next video now. Thank you very much.